losing that $16,000, bro. Let me just go ahead and spin back to that. Losing that $16,000. The time when I lost it, I was 18 years old, fresh out of high school. It was a terrible time for me, bro. Terrible time for me. Like, $16,000 seemed like the world to me at that point. And now to say that I can make $16,000 in 2 weeks, I wouldn't have been reacting that way back then if that was what it was. But I didn't realize that the $16,000, me holding onto this, losing this $16,000. If you guys haven't seen that video, go back. I really should just tell the story again. So, long story short, I ended up investing in a close friend, which I thought was a close friend, mutual friend, business, right? The car dealership. I invested $16,000 into it. Long story short, it didn't work. They ended up running off with my money. More stuff like that. Just, bunch of stuff that was keeping me held down. You know what I'm saying? That stuff was keeping me held down, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. I was doing a lot of thinking, a lot of, sitting in a lot of anger, sitting in a lot of regret, sitting in a lot of sadness, things like that, because you got to realize I lost that $16,000. You got to think about how everybody else is looking at me around me, my family members, my friends, like that, bro. Like, I ain't really tell nobody that I lost that bread, but, my family, they know I lost that bread because they asked me, yo, what you doing? What you planning to do with your life? You got some money saved up? Like, what's going on? You feel me? And I lost the money, bro. And, going through that and feeling that pain, bro. I'm trying to tell you, I wake up every morning thinking about that shit. I go to sleep every night thinking about that shit, right? It was the worst thing for me at the time. But looking back on it, me letting it go was the best thing that ever happened to me. Because when I start realizing, all right, I lost $16,000. Let me stop thinking about how I lost $16,000 and how I can make $16,000 plus more, and keep adding on. So these were the things that I started focusing on when I started letting that thing go. Whatever it is that's holding you back, whether that be something that somebody said to you, your parents, anything like that, bruh. Anything, bro. If it's something that's holding you back, let that go, bruh. Let it go. Because trust me, man. Trust me. When it's time for you to shine, bro. When it's really time for you to shine and it's really your time and you done look back and looked at everything, like, that will be your defining moment. That will be the pivot, bro. That will be your defining moment. That will be a pivot in your story. Look, we all live in a story. Like I say in a lot of my videos, we all live in a story. We only get one book, one story to tell. So how we act on these things is how we live the story is exactly how it's going to be told, exactly how we can tell it. You feel me? It's a lot of people that make up their stories, a lot of people that don't really live the things that they say. It's a lot of people that are just not really being themselves, right? And the number one thing I wanted to do on YouTube is come on here, give you guys my true self, because if I look back on these videos, right, 2-3 years later, and I was being a fake character, right, I'm going to regret doing that. Like, why did I be a fake character on YouTube all these years later? So that's why I'm being my genuine self. I'm giving you guys genuine advice. I'm genuinely trying to help you because, look, I was there before, bro. Trust me, wherever you was at, I promise you I was there before. Whether you are at the point I'm at now, making 20 to 30K a month with a silent brand, or you're at the point where you only got $100, $200 in your bank account and you trying to make everything figure out. You trying to make everything, work out. I've been there before, bro. Trust me, I've been there before, and I know how it feels. And I know how it feels to have these distractions in your life and people not believing in you and so much things that just don't seem like it's falling into the place for you to prosper, for you to move on, right? But you can't never wait until you're ready. You got to already be ready. If you already ready, you ain't got to get ready, bro. You already are ready. At the point you are now, you're ready to get better, bro. There's never a point in life where you should feel like, all right, I'm not ready. I can't do this. You can do anything, bro. And for you to do it the most efficient way, for you to do it the best way for yourself, is to just jump in and do it, bro. I always say this every video, and y'all probably been started. I hope y'all did. Whatever y'all want to work on in life, I hope you already started, because I promise you, starting today is going to be the best decision of your life, right? Especially if you continue. Now, starting today could be the biggest regret of your life if you decide somewhere along the line to quit. But starting was the best thing that ever happened to me, bro. Starting my business, starting e-commerce, starting this YouTube channel, these are the things that helped me feel accomplished in my life, right? These are the things I look back on when I'm so confident, when I'm so, confident in my speaking and confident in what I'm doing and confident in walking in life. I think back to these moments, right? And the reason why I'm so confident is because of the proof of concept that I've given to myself. All right, I know I can make 20K in a month. I know I can make 30K in a month. So the confidence is there. I could go to an investor and tell him straight to his face, I can make this money, bro. Give me the money to invest. I'll flip it for you. Don't worry. I can say that with 100% confidence. You want to know why I can say that with 100% confidence? Because I have the proof of concept. I've proven to myself I can do this, right? And before I could do it, I might not have had the confidence, but you know what I did have? I had the initiative to really start and take action, bro, and do it. And that's what I want y'all to do, bro. And a lot of y'all find my videos repetitive, stuff like that. Maybe it's that little daily dose of motivation for y'all. But the reason why I'm at where I'm at, and the reason why I'm here where I am, is because I keep retelling my story. I keep living my story in a better way. I learn from my mistakes in the past, and I move past them. I work. And I wouldn't be nowhere without the pain, bro. You know what I'm saying? I listen to so much Rod Wave songs, so much rap music, talking about paying the profit, because I understand, bro. You feel me? Shout out my boy Z Cartier. He produced a song called that. Now I'm thinking about it. But, bro, it's really been paying the profit, bro. Paying the profit. I'd have been through so much along this journey. Lost brother. My whole blood brother I done lost in this journey of making money online. I had to deal with that. I had to deal with this $16,000. And I'm not saying this because I'm trying to be a victim, right? Nobody's a victim. This happens to people. People lose people. People lose money. It's just what happened. You never want to look at yourself as a victim. But these things did happen, y'all. And this is the I had to go through to get to where I'm at today. So I promise you, whatever you're going through, you can get through it, right? You can do better. You can get what you want out of life, bro. Just keep going, keep moving, motivated. Move disciplined, bro. And you're going to get to where you want to be, y'all. But if y'all need help with e-commerce, anything like that, bro, I ain't even been showing y'all how much I made, bro. But I'm going to go ahead and put it on the screen for y'all. Whatever. I don't know how much it is, bro. I'm probably going to put up how much I made today, or maybe how much I made in the whole last 18 months. But, yeah, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro. Keep it pushing. Keep it moving. If you guys need help with anything e-commerce related, need help figuring out if you're 18 or it don't really matter what age you are, bro. If you need help, I do got one-on-one calls you can book down below. I will help you with your e-commerce store, figure out what's going on, what you need to help scale it up. And if you don't know anything about silent branding, anything about e-commerce, anything like that, go ahead, click the free training link down below. But I appreciate all y'all who have subscribed to the channel in the last 30 days. It's been a lot of y'all, you feel me? I haven't looked at my analytics in a minute, but it's been a lot of y'all. I've seen my subscribers go up. I'm on the way to 2,000 subscribers. I'm on the way to 1,500 subscribers. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please leave a subscribe to the channel. But I appreciate all y'all who have been watching the channel, though. Much love to y'all. I appreciate y'all for real. I really do, bro. But without further ado, let me get on with my day. I'm about to go hop in the pool, take some calls, work with some people, like that. But it's been me, bro. It's been Child. I'm going to go ahead and catch y'all in the next video. We out.